whānau, whito Wairua, no tū igo. Mauri ora. Mauri ora My Shaded Atua, kei konei au, kei konei mātou, ki tūranga waiwai, for the National Rongoā Wānanga here. So we've got all the rotu here for the Wānanga. Let's try kōrero. We've got tamaki here also. How many other things, Bebe?
Eh?
How many other?
So there's 17 altogether.
17. And here's kōrero. Yeah, mean, ain't it?
Ah, that's cool.
So, yeah. Titiro ki tēnei My Shaded Atua. Tūranga wāwai. Hui! Yes? Oh, they're both tiny. Oh, they're both tiny. Waihingi must be on the other side, eh?
Right.
Hui!
This is cool.
Oh, this is miharo. There's two tani too. I see what you're saying. I think I'm gonna go and then actually go grab my slippers. It's better. That's better, My Shaded Atua. Now I feel comfortable. Oh. Heaps of baby stuff over here and te hose. Engari, I just need. Tell you what, just get this. Tell me I ain't the only one that thinks these chargers are hoha, man. Look how bulky these things are. Look at that. Engari, paiana, still working. Sold it. Let's go have a look around. Yeah.
There's heaps of wairako in there,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
our stall has like all the rongoā kai in it. Kai rongoā, and these old kuyas are coming over. Yeah,
from te tai tokere.
These older ladies are coming over to our stall, eating up all the chocolate cocoa cake before it's even started. Yeah, but it's
like,
way nicer. It's like, yeah, it's
Neff's
different.
already had a try.
Yeah.
You gotta take care of family first, right?
Aye.
And
Puna.
we're all, we don't all good at the same thing.
We all contribute our different flavours, eh? Yeah, this is the vibes, eh? My Shaded Atua. So we're here at Tūranga Waiwai for the national Rongoā kaupapa Wānanga that they've been doing. So all the Wānanga o Aotearoa kōrero throughout the motu have come together here at Tūranga Waiwai for this here weekend. They got a couple of presentations to do tomorrow. There's a healing night tonight. So yeah, awesome, man. It's beautiful right here. That's the thing about this, they're just meeting all these beautiful kaitiaki. Just come in and hey, what's that there about? No need to be whakama. Why be whakama when you know who you are? I feel whakama when somebody else has told somebody about who I am. And then I go there and I'm like, oh, kia ora. And they've got an expectations because somebody else has given them that.
Yeah, come look at the tables, they look beautiful.
All right. Ooh, it's getting serious.
Heaps of way
They're
out,
closing it
everyone's
off.
going to be
Hey.
Is it like cover?
Kind of. No, honest it is. See? Check it out, My Shaded Atua. Titiro ki tēnei.
There's some beautiful taonga.
Look at the menus. These are nice. These are nice. And this is nice too, My Shaded Atua. It's actually nice. Those are my favourite, but they're all nice. So this is the tepu of Te Tai Tokero. It's Bebe's tepu, the third opu. Got a tiaki, the tiaki or tepu. She's got a tiaki, the tepu at the moment, because each ropu, it's getting crazy in there. While Bebe's in the wharekai tiaki her tepu for the ropu, I thought I'll get me some Rongoā Maori, and what better place to get it at the... Yeah, just chilling. Hey, does this Mighty have a bite? Mm-hmm. Oh, I think somebody else is pulling from the side. Oh. I'm just taking advantage right now, man, before it gets a little hectic. I feel like it's going to get hectic in there. Waiting for Kai Matu over there. Just let us know in another 5 minutes Kai will be ready. So let's go see what the Kai is. Oh, Bebe just texted. She said, lining up for Kai and I tikana. That's Bebe's tutor. That one there, or hoodie. He's a hononga. Teko teko keiru mo to pai ke ako pai ke ohi ohi. Me my Shaded Atua, Shaded Tinana. Now time to feed the Wairua. Shit.
Go on TikTok.
Come on TikTok. No, wrong person.
Nah, live.
Hey, nah, yeah.
Right, I recognised you straight away. I was like, hey, that's that guy. Oh, shame.
That wahine just came up to me and she was like, are you that dude who feeds your Wairua and not your ego guy? Nah, wrong person. But that's cool, man. So if you see me and you notice me around, don't be shy, don't be fucking markers. We love to have a kōrero in there.
Yeah.
We like the Shaded Atua, the Shaded Wānanga. Hey, she's part of the Shaded Wānanga, so it's only right to go and acknowledge another person who's in your whānau. Yeah. So let me like run you down with the criteria real quick, like I know what's going on right here. Nah, I don't really know what's going on right here. What I do know is like tonight is healing night. That's what Auntie said, eh? Yeah. Tonight is healing night. Which is where they show off all the rongoā that they have created. They all love tai tokeros one, eh? Because it's all edible. Let's go check it out. Yeah. Yeah, how's it going, cuz?
Well, it's still ice. We didn't think it was going to be.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, my Shaded Atua, their station's going beautifully. Just gonna catch up with Bebe. Yeah, your station's going beautiful.
I know, everyone's in there.
Everyone's in there. For my Shaded Atua, I just had another beautiful fire come up to me. Oh, I love your videos. I was like, oh, here I am getting to try all their beautiful creations.
Papa?
Oh, yeah, that's actually...
That's good, eh? Why do some people do keke, like kohe, they do double E? I've never seen that before.
That's just a macaron on top.
Oh, okay.
So with 2 E's is just, instead of putting...
so if you don't have a macaron, you just do a double?
Double I. Oh, man. Can't play it. That's Miranda. She's part of the Bebe's ropu too. Might have seen her on some of our content here, but oh, it's all gone.
Go,
Success on this table. Look how empty it is, my Shaded Atua.
It is cocoa chocolate cake, and her gummies are smashed. Oh, and KJ's jam, jam.
Can I give you this one back? And can I try some of
You sure can.
Oh, you can taste the colour. It comes at the end, eh?
That's nice. Aye. Tino, eh?
And that's the kōrero jam. Yeah, isn't it?
Tino, ne? Aye. Oh, my Shaded Atua. That was such a cool game to see. All about your senses. Listen, head on. In the station here, there's a connection in this area that's pretty moody. I know my Shaded Atua. Oh, well, my Shaded Atua. Taku whakaaro. That was a success. How did my slippers get here? I just found my slippers outside of the wharekai.
Someone put them out.
Nah, like someone uses them and took them to the wharekai.
Gee.
Doesn't matter.
Probably Bella.
Doesn't matter where you go, doesn't matter where you go. That was a success in my eyes.
That was
so
just
good.
so cool. Met so many awesome people.
Oh man. And I haven't vlogged in ages, man. I felt like I was out of... I haven't vlogged in ages.
Met some people from the Cook Islands.
Oh yeah, from Fiji,
Hawaii.
from Hawaii. It was such a beautiful night.
Yeah.
Now,
The hose crashed.
yeah, the hose had a rest. I'm gonna go get myself sorted and then clear up some footage, do my footage stuff, do my basics, put up a post, my daily posters. Make sure you check those out, my Shaded Atua. And then, yeah, see you popo. Mauri ora. Mauri ora, my Shaded Atua. Everyone's just getting up. And I just realised while getting my stuff ready, maybe tonight there's like a ball thing that they got. Is it a ball, baby? And while getting all our stuff sorted yesterday to come down, my clothes for the ball are just hanging up at home in my room. Engari paiana, but it's presentations today at a Mātauranga. And oh yeah, man, I'm got the
final aroha for level 4. Rongoā Maori.
kōrero. Yeah. Anyway, our bathroom's free while all these wahine ones are full, so rubbing it in a bit. Gonna go give me a shower. Alright. See once it's freshened up. Oh, just finished having a shower, my Shaded Atua. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Te rāno. Titiro, everyone's getting ready. It's nearly parakui. Time for parakui. Titiro. Oh, just meeting all these beautiful rōpū. That fire from last night from Fiji just introduced me to a lot of her rōpū. And some of the people in her rōpū are familiar with my mahi. That was beautiful. Just gotta come and have some. Start your day off fresh. Oh, my shaded atua. Your boy did something so stupid. I didn't even record Bebe's freaking presentation. I was too busy being captivated listening to it. I caught some photos. Engari, I didn't capture it. So I feel like I shouldn't capture anyone else's. Nah. Nah, it was a beautiful, beautiful presentation. So I had Rōpū tuatahi, they were the first. And now KJ and them are doing theirs at the moment, which is beautiful too, poetry. Manu hebi na whawhai ewe. E tohu ana. So be mindful. My shaded atua, this is so beautiful. Each rōpū have their own interpretation of the hononga with the atua to rongoā. Yeah, just their pūrākos are beautiful. This is another section over here. Let's go check it out. Oh, my shaded atua was just having a kōrero with the kai whakahua for Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. Oh, and his morning's been going not too good either. He was like, oh, I was supposed to start coming late, everybody started early. I was like, hey, look, matua, there's no issues, no problems, only solutions. Hey, my shaded atua. I've missed heaps too, but I see it as if I missed it, I wasn't supposed to capture it. Just simple. Oh no, yeah. All of the mainF have been dope. All of the presentations was miharo. Really good. We're just putting a few things down in there. Just gotta get things a bit ready while we can before it gets a bit hectic. But it's been dope, NF.
Yeah, it's been cool. Mean weekend.
Mean weekend. But yeah. See you outside. Where am I shaded atua? I've been looking all over for Bebe. And she's over here having a hakari. Oh yeah, true.
Really cool one. Like a blue collar worker.
Yeah.
And like, had a long fucking day at work, drinking his beer, and then he gets in trouble by Tāwhiri Mātia. Tāne Mahuta, and who was that other lady? Tangaroa? Because his mahi is to spread 1080 along the nangahi, and they're growling him like, my tamariki, the four winds are not for spreading the cyclones.
That's cool, eh? They're clever, eh?
So cool.
And there's heaps of other ones too, like there were some earlier on too. They're very clever, very clever. What's with us?
Hi, have a seat.
I am on a kitiro mai tēnei mo shaded atua. Need one of these. Oh, these are dangerous. Kia ora. Oh, that was dangerous, my shaded atua. Lady Ora My Shaded Atua. Nef and I just left Tūranga Waiwai while there's a bit of downtime, Nef? Due to me leaving my kakahu at home, we thought, fingers crossed, let's see if we can go to one of these stores and get us a shirt or something, just something nice to wear for tonight. Engari, if we don't have... Holy hecko!
What the fuck?
Alright. Questions asked, no judgments passed. Nah, everyone's judging. Everybody's judging right now. But if there's no kaku, paiana, we'll just go in a row,
And some haraki.
Yeah, let's go find a pew-pew now. Oh, my Shaded Atua. Looks like a bit of a success. Managed to get some kakahu. No need to go into the haerenga and get any row or pew-pew or, you know. No need for any harakeke. So Bebe just called. She said lunch is on. They've got the barbecue on. But we started like about 10 minutes ago, so we may just miss it. But yeah, we're heading back to Tūranga Wāwai. Hopefully there's some kai left. If not, paian. I just made it in time. Bebe saved us some kai. Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Thanks, baby.
Don't cry up there, so yeah.
Man.
Butter,
Thanks,
because I
baby.
only put butter on one of them.
Thank you. Alright, my love. Oh, here, Annie. Hold that.
Thank you.
I was in the car the whole time.
Yeah, they were there the whole time. Oh, no, yeah, just before we left to come down to Tūranga Waiwai, Bebe was like, oh, where's my car? Oh, where's my glasses? Oh, well, your boy left them at the kura. I took them to kura and oh, there's shade over there, Nef. Kia ora. And, yeah, this week I took them to kura and one of the tamariki was like, oh, matua, your glasses, and I managed to grab them, but I forgot to take them home. Papayana. Me, Nef, me.
Yeah, just in time.
Just in time. Ngā mihi, ngā ringa Wairua whakarite e nei kai, mai te rangi, mai te whenua, mai te tai au mauri ora. Let's see what we got. Oh, yes. Cool.
Yeah, it's nice.
Do not lift up my Shaded Atua. Make sure when you have rubbish, make sure you put them in the rubbish. You come travelling with me, my Shaded Atua, and you chuck rubbish out of my waka. Hoo-hoo.
You didn't throw one out.
My waka stops. I don't care where we are, even if we're on the state highway one. I will stop the waka and you will go and pick up their rubbish. Why is it that every time I receive a bun and I see a patty, it's just second nature to make yourself a burger. Tūranga Wāwai, ngā mihi, kō motu, kō ti. So at the moment everyone is just kind of on the replenish and rejuvenating stage right now. Things quite quieting down here. They got like about 3 hours of downtime, and then I think it picks up again. So we're gonna get our downtime on and see you then. I think it's the ball, so I'll show you the row that I found. Nah, nah, I just got me some. I just got just an easy black shirt, just nothing that I'll usually get though, because there's no hoko stores. Ain't there? We like shopping in hoko stores. Like a lot of people always compliment on the threads that I have, or You know, the attire that I wear, my shade atua. I'll be honest with you, and I'll give you right now the jewels right now. And I got this from my hononga hami. Hey, this is from the hononga hami. Go to your local hoko stores. The only thing about, like, nephew here, he's lucky, man. He gets all the goods, man.
Got all the sizes of my size.
But me, I gotta go down to South Auckland to get my sizes and like the pants and the taro and all that. But the kākahua, you know, every hoko store, you will find yourself the attire that you need to dress, the dress code. Are you just too flash to go? Sounds like you're feeding your ego. Just got into the marae to see Bebe relaxing. She's got gifts.
Yeah, so we had to do a gift exchange with one of the ropu here, and we got taranaki. So they gave us. It's got heaps of different things in here. I've got rākau teas, herbal teas, bath salts. Okay. Tātaramoa tincture. We got waiwatia, Rongoā Maori Level, chest rub, that's probably got kumaraho. And this is kakapa Manawataki. It has, they gave us a pamphlet too, they're pretty flash. So it's got all the what's in the rongoā and got some beeswax.
That's nice, eh?
Yeah, they're all panera, so if you get sunburn, rub this on, or any skin irritation, and a lip balm.
For the motu.
Miaro.
Not too bad, my shade atua. Not too bad for a quick outfit. Let's go see what's going on. Yeah.
Everyone's all dressed up in it already.
Everyone looking
I
at
want to know where
tahua. Tai tokero, don't play around. Tai tokero, don't play around. Everybody here looking wicked.
It was purposeful. So I want you guys to step into your roles. Yeah.
Everybody's looking wicked.
And then number one.
And then number one's baby. Not too bad, eh, my shade atua. But I personally forgot their number ones.
Who you?
So right now we're just getting formalities ready. We're waiting for Where's the cousin? Where's the whananga? But yeah, formalities, karakia, then prize giving, then kai, then the ball later. It's going to be a beautiful night, so stay tuned. My shade atua. Procedures are just starting. Tijiro. Let's go get it. So that's what we're doing at the moment, my shade atua. We're just going to go and have a national photo. Tallest. Oh, hiding away. Got to capture this, man. Booty order. Booty order. Finally here. That's what the kaupapa is all about, my shade atua, meeting new faces, making hononga. Yes. I just finished doing some photos. Some kai time. Haramai. Kwatai mai. Alright, I'll see you at the table, my shade atua. I like that one, ain't it? Just a quick I'm in there, have your kai. Straight into it. Ikamata, hangi, all the goods. That's cool, my shade atua. I'm just gonna be present right now, so I'll turn it off and update you on after kai and after everything, my shade atua. It's been dope. But yeah, I'm just gonna respect this kaupapa right now and just be present.
To the conference.
Yeah, my love. I'm getting the photos, my shade atua, because there's gonna be some here already. Not to hear from the one. Aotearoa is already doing this, so he's got it all sorted. But yeah, These are the rest of the different beautiful rōpū that came down to do their mahi. And there's so many beautiful creative atua here. Gifted hands, gifted mauri, gifted Wairua. Okay, I'm gonna go for a bit of a breather. I need to go out and get some fresh air.
Yeah, you're here for the most important part.
I did. I came to the most important. Bebe getting a tohu, eh, Bebe? Yeah, so stoked. Proud. Let's go join the dance for my Shaded Atua. This song always reminds me of that kaupapa. You know, have you seen that kaupapa, that video where that driver's in traffic and another truck nearly like collides with it? That's what that reminds me of, that wiper with the truck. Oh, you know what I mean? She just, did you just see that? She just, like she heard what I was saying, but and then just try and switch the whole thing
Play it back.
What's that song now?
Blame it on the boogie.
What does that song remind you of?
Roll bounce.
No, it reminds me. Oh well, okay, that reminds you of it. What I was discussing was, it reminds me of that traffic when that fellow's like in the traffic, waiting in the traffic lights, and then the truck nearly collides with him, and he's like, ah, boogie, and he just carries on with his day. It's been beautiful, eh, baby?
Yeah, so my rōpū, bunch of nannies, but they did say if there was wine on the table, they would have been in there.
There is, man. You got a wine.
You get a wine.
You got a wine. You gotta get on that wine. That was dope. It's been dope. But yeah, I'm probably call it for a night. See your tofu. They got that tofu, man. She did that. You feel me? She did that. You did that. You did that. Everybody just getting up, getting ready.
What a fucking random thing to happen right there, right? Yeah. Just fucking, oh, didn't want to happily number.
The setups, man. But yeah, baby, it's been a beautiful weekend. This weekend's been so beautiful.
I've been looking forward to it. Oh yeah, and now it's been and gone.
All the different beautiful kaitiaki, beautiful healing hands, all the beautiful rongoā practitioners coming here from all across the motu to come here to Rongoā to share their gifts and share their mātauranga. It's been beautiful, man. And all the mahi that you guys did, you all should be very proud, man, because I could just imagine how much mahi you've put into it, because I've witnessed Bebe do all the mahi that her and her rōpū have been doing, so I could just imagine how many of all of the, how busy everyone has been this year. So you all should be very proud. Engari, everybody's packed up now and ready to hit the road. Ora My Shaded Atua, you know the kaupapa, feed your wairua. Not your ego. See you on the next haerenga.
You my body, yeah. You my body.